Welcome to the cushion advertisement. I bought these cushions from Bali and my sister is an interior designer. So today we are going to be talking about cushions. Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to this week's video. Now I was supposed to film this video a lot later, but since we just heard about Unlock 1.0, I decided this is the best time to be purchasing all of those home equipments that you need to stock up on, because we don't know. We don't know if there's going to be a lockdown 5.0 and 7.0, hopefully not, but if there is, we are prepared. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of my holy grail home equipments that you need to buy ASAP. I'm going to try and link all of these products in the description below, and if I don't find the exact product, then I will link a replica or the closest next alternative. So make sure to check it out. Most of them I'm going to try to find on Amazon because that is the easiest and fastest option that we have. I'm also going to be putting down a number in the description box that you guys can call, and you will get a 10% off on all fitness equipments if you use the code Kanika10. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. But before that, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below and tell me what kind of videos you want to see in the future, and don't forget to subscribe because you want to be a part of this situation. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that I want to share with you guys is you've definitely seen it if you follow me on Instagram or here on YouTube. Now you know that there is this one product that I always use, and it's a very big necessity in all of my leg workouts, and that is my resistance band. Now, firstly, details about my resistance band. I got this one and a similar one in peach, but I purchased it from London, and I know that I paid a good amount for it. I think I paid around 4,000 for both of them. It took about, let's say, 20 days to ship and deliver, but I will say that it was a great investment. Like, I know that this thing is not going to break. This is the heaviest size that they have. I also have the light one in peach, and I have the heavy one. You will not that I know of, and I hope, but I don't think that these are available in India yet. But if you do want to purchase them, then I will link the brand in the description as well. But I have here what Amazon has to offer, which are the elastic bands. Now the thing is, they're almost the same, but not the same. This, as you can see, is obviously better quality. The resistance band, firstly, is constantly sliding down. So when you put them on your thighs, there's always a chance that these are going to slide or break, because I've had so many elastic bands that have just broken off during my leg workouts, which is why I stopped using them. And also, like I said, like there's a weird stink to it, and it's not my favorite, which is why I don't use elastic bands at all. But in case you're not getting anything, something is better than nothing, I will link the best options on Amazon. I will say that a lot of these products I used to ship off of AliExpress, but with the current situation, I wouldn't recommend shipping them off AliExpress. But in case you still want to, then I will be linking them in the description as well. Obviously, they're a lot cheaper on AliExpress. Something like this would not be more than, say, 200 bucks, which is cheap. So I will link this one and these great ones in the description. Now, how do I use them? Obviously, they are a great necessity to have during your leg workouts. You just put them on above your knees, and I perform your regular exercises, but these make it so much harder, whether it's your squats, your lunges, your leg press, literally anything. These are a leg day must-haves. You are not going to be able to walk once you put these boys on. Okay, that is my first must-have. Now that I have spoken about my shorter band, the other thing that I would recommend buying, and that I think everybody should have, and that you can use for multiple things, is a longer resistance band. This one I have got off AliExpress, but it is great. It is great quality. Like, I've tried breaking it. You can't break this. You can't. Okay, you can't break this, and you will find all of these in your gym. But I prefer taking mine and going there because I don't like, it's about hygiene, and I just think that's like, I mean, you do you, but if you can buy these, I would recommend buying them. Generally, I use these for pull-ups. If you are a newbie and maybe are unfamiliar with how do you do a pull-up or a push-up, firstly, I share those on my Instagram, so you want to check them out. But you can use these, tie them around your rope and do a pull-up. You can also use these, just tie them around in your house. You can do your upper body workouts, you can even do leg workouts. It's so versatile. You can use them for whatever you want, and like I said, they do not break. Great quality. This is the heavier one. You can find lighter and medium sizes again. So if you are confused as to what kind of a resistance band sizing you should buy, I would recommend to get a light and a heavy. Your lighter ones come in use when you're doing exercises like push-ups, but you are like a beginner. But if you were doing a pull-up, then your lighter ones would be used if you were an advanced person. So you can basically use them depending on your growth in fitness. So definitely would recommend to get a lighter one and a heavier resistance band, both in short and in long. Okay, so my second must have, and I cannot stress this enough, has been, I love it. Like I love it. Okay, so this is my foam roller. Now I bought this one off of Amazon. I'm gonna stop saying Amazon because I'm saying it, but I need to tell you guys where I found it. So I bought this one off of Amazon. Great quality. Okay, we have a love-hate relationship. I'm practically crying. Okay, I just did a stretching session right before I recorded this video, and I was crying. So if you are going to see my actual face reactions of what I feel like when I'm doing this, because it hurts. Okay, it hurts. I would definitely recommend having one of these at home. You will mostly find them when you are at the gym, but getting one of these it's amazing. Like, I cannot stress this enough. How I feel right after a stretch and a rest day, you know, like it really like massages your entire body without having to pay for a masseuse. Amazing. You need to get this into your life. I think I paid around maybe between 600 and 800, I'm gonna guess, for this. But if you are wanting to buy something, there is going to be one that is heavier. Like if you've seen those black ones that are really strong and mostly plastic, because they really hurt like a lot more. But I would recommend to get something like this. If you are starting out, get this one. The next thing that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is something that I don't think I have shared my excitement about enough, and I almost cannot believe that I just bought these, which is probably something that you already have in your house, but I didn't. A set of dumbbells. Now, I never had dumbbells in my house. It's weird. Like, I have had a lot of other things, but I've never had dumbbells. Something that is so basic. I recently found the need to buy and the urgency to buy, actually. So I bought these. This is a 5 kilo set. I have been on the lookout for dumbbells for over a month now, and I'm going to be honest, when I asked you guys for recommendations over on Instagram, a lot of people said Amazon and Decathlon, but I didn't like either. Amazon was very basic, very the ones that had to be fixed. I don't like those kinds, and Decathlon was really expensive. Like a single pair of dumbbells was over 1700. I don't know. I think it was a little fancier, but very expensive, and honestly not worth it, and also would be taking a lot of time. That is when I realized I had a friend who has a fitness equipment and complete fitness store next to where I live. So I contacted her, and she sent these dumbbells over to me in less than a day. These costed me around 1800, 17 something, but definitely worth it because I could not find the quality anywhere else. I will be leaving the number down below. You guys can message them and ask them for whatever your order is. Depending on where you guys stay, they will deliver. You can use the code Kanika10 again in case you guys want a 10% discount. I will not be making any commission on that. you need a set of dumbbells if you are somebody that wants to start working out at home, whether upper body, leg day, abs, anything. You don't need me to tell you. It's a must-have. You need these in your life. Next, I will, maybe eventually in time have a 10 kg dumbbell and then a 15 kg dumbbell, and then eventually throw everybody out of my house and convert it into a gym. That is my plan. Thanks, Mom. Moving on. The next thing that I'm going to be recommending is something that I feel like everybody should have. Okay, I know that my 5-year-old nephew has it, and that's when I bought it, but you can buy it too. Is a pull-up rod. Now, I lost this one, so that's why it looks like this. If you are somebody that wants to work on your pull-ups like I do, because I really struggle, this is an absolute must-have. They're not expensive. I'm pretty sure I got them for about 1,000, but I would recommend buying them. This is something that I use to play around in the house. I'm doing my pull-ups. I even use them for stretching, abs. It's great. Okay, and so these are adjustable ones, so depending on the width of your corridors or your walls in the house, you can fix them. I will also probably recommend screwing them onto the walls, because sometimes because of the vacuum pressure it can fall and you can get hurt really bad. So I would say avoid that, but this is a must have if you're somebody that wants to work on your pull-up game. Okay, last one that I have is it's a bonus. You don't need this, but I like it. I like having it at home, and I will be honest, I don't use it enough, but I want to be able to, and that is an ab curler. You can probably use it for your back. It's good for your back as well, but I use this generally to be able, so if you know about an ab curler, it is very difficult to be able to do a complete ab curl with an entire, like your body being completely in one line. So that should be your goal when it comes to an ab curler. These also look really cool, and also good if you want to like massage your body, roll out things. So you can use them. One product, many uses. Like I said, I don't use this enough, probably because I can't find it half the time. But that is my final home equipment that I feel like you need to buy. So that is all of my home equipments that I have bought over a period of 3 years. Okay, this is my sweat and blood in the form of, like, I have really saved up to buy all of these things. I don't think my parents have bought them for me. Maybe some of them. As always, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, give this video a thumbs up. Why wouldn't you give it a thumbs up? Comment down below, tell me what kind of videos you want to see in the future, and subscribe so you can see all the other things, because I know you're inquisitive. You want to know. Okay, you want to know everything else that's in my house. So stay tuned until I show you something next week again. Bye.